In the laundry area at home. One new thing I just got recently was a hookup to the city water lines. Had a trench dug by the plumbers, and they ran a line 500 feet down from the house to the street. And you can see now we've got good water pressure. The water pump system here on this property just completely quit when we had a lightning strike. And it had brought up a lot of sand from the well into the pipes, and the input screen to the washing machine was clogged by sand. So I'm going to have to take it apart and clean it. We've had to fill the machine with a hose just like a wringer washer for the past several years, but now finally the water quality is good enough where I can use it automatically. This is a 2000 model Sears Kenmore. And I bought it brand new from Sears back in 2000. I probably would have got a vintage machine if I could, but I didn't have any means to haul it back then. And just had Sears deliver this and bring it to me. This was actually when I lived in an apartment, and then we just moved it out here to the house. The dryer is probably a 60s era Sears Kenmore electric. And cosmetically, it's seen better days, but it still runs just fine. That's the most important thing, of course. It's just a plain white dryer. And I'll now demonstrate filling up the machine with the hose. And you can fill it up this way if you ever run into the same problem of the screen being clogged. Okay, I've put the laundry detergent in, and now I'm going to get the hose and start filling the machine. It's very important to turn on the machine so that the water level detection circuitry is working, or else it could fill up more than you wanted it to. Let me get the hose here. We've got very strong water pressure from the city supply now. I'll just turn this on small to show how the water level detection works. This works so much better. When I used to have to use the well system, this would just take forever to fill up, because the water pressure was so low. Now the sensor has detected that the water is filled up enough, and the machine's beginning to run. Now the machine is running. I've got a few towels in there. Of course I need to put the rest of the laundry in, and I'll fill it up some more with water. You just have to do the same deal to do the rinse. You just have to fill it up from the hose until the machine starts running. It's really not that much of an inconvenience, so I may just continue to do it this way. I would actually like to get a wringer washing machine sometime, but I just haven't found one that's really been in good enough shape, and I haven't found one really in this area either, but I'll keep my eyes out for one.